Hi, my name is Alex Carlucci with Gustan Cho Associates. If I said that right, Gustan Cho Associates. We here have no overlays. Remember that, no overlays. So what an overlay is if you go to a bank and you apply for an FHA loan and your debt to income ratio is 46%, the bank says no, you got too high DTI. Don't give up right there, because that bank probably has what's called an overlay. They only go to 45%. If you look at the FHA handbook, they go to 56.9%. So that would be considered an overlay. So they have a rule on top of FHA's rules. So come to us. We don't have overlays. Other overlays are job gaps. All sorts of little things have overlays. We do manual underwrites. A lot of banks won't do manual underwrites. So VA manual, FHA manual. What that means is if you get a refer eligible on the automated underwriting systems that we all use nationwide, and it gets downgraded to refer, 95% of the banks out there are going to say, sorry, you've been denied. You haven't been denied, you've been referred eligible. What that means is you qualify for a manual underwrite. Now, you have to fit the manual underwrite guidelines, and that is, in a VA, for example, no lates in the last 12, you got to have a mortgage payment in your bank. For FHA, it's a little more complicated. You can't have a certain amount of late payments on installments and mortgages in the last 24 months. You can have some minor 30 days on some credit cards over the last 2 years, but if you fit the manual guidelines, you got to call me for that. I'm not going to give away all my secrets, but if you fit that manual guidelines, we can do a manual underwrite. Now, it's an overlay at banks where they say no, they don't want to do that. So remember, we do no overlays here. We have an outlet for whatever the guideline says. We have an outlet for it, and we pull the guidelines out on these underwriters all the time. I've turned an underwriter's opinion around because she didn't really know the guideline. We know guidelines almost better than these underwriters do. So please give us a call at Gustan Cho Associates. My name is Alex Carlucci, 630-915-7550.